Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to group elements on the Canva design. So here I've already opened a design on my Canva and I'm gonna just show you how to group elements. So here let's say I want to group these elements at the top. So what you need to do is you can just click on one by one the elements by clicking or uh, press on this control on your keyboard. So click on the first one and press control on your keyboard, then select another elements and just do it like this, or you can just block the elements that you want to group, for example like this, and then there will be a pop-up like this, then click on group. And just like that, the whole elements that you choose before will be treated as a group and it will be moved accordingly like this when you drag it. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button on there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.